For those scary childrens, you're going to need a white balloon. Blown up about yay much. Find the center. Don't give it a twist, but give it a fold and a twist. And then as you get up to the top, twist that off. Take your round balloon. And we get a nice little head for our ghost. Shape those hands if you want. Pull him where he needs to be. We're going to shape him, face him this way so we don't hide that in there. Cool. And now, the cool thing about this is you want to draw the face afterwards because his head will sometimes spin. So in that case, you get out your massively awesome artistic skills and you just go one eye, two eyes. Remember, ghosts don't have noses. Those are skeletons. But they do have crazy mouths. There you go. There is your little ghosty, ghouly thing. So then you balance them and you go, wow, look, I'm excited. I can balance a ghost. Woohoo. So there you go.